You know what really grinds my gears?
Ah, sh! Hello and welcome to Purity Productions. My name is Jacob and today I need to vent. Because there is nothing more frustrating than opening a session and being asked to locate audio file. And to be honest, I can't even be angry at the people sending me these sessions because they're not really the problem in the sense that DAW companies should just make it easier and more straightforward to send sessions and to save them. So step one to actually properly sharing a session to somebody else is file management. Because if your audio files are all over the place, then you risk sending your session with missing audio files. So when saving a new session, always make sure to select folder under organize my project as. Now normally you shouldn't have to worry about what's under copy the following files into your project because your DAW usually takes care of that for you. So once you've saved your session, you can go and find the session file, and in there you will see it has created subfiles for various things such as your audio files and your session. In short, your session doesn't hold any audio information. It only saves session information such as the plugins you used and what settings you used inside those plugins, for example. However, it does save where the session audio files are located. And in this method of saving, it creates a folder and transfers a copy of all the audio files you import into the session. That way it guarantees you'll never lose any audio files for that session. So here comes the important part and the reason for this video. When you send or transfer a session, do not send the session file. When you do that, this is what's going to happen. When opening the session, the DAW will ask me to locate the audio files because it cannot find them and you didn't send the audio files by doing this method. So to be able to send and receive sessions properly, you must send the session folder. Doing so guarantees that all necessary files are transferred and easily located when opening your session. If you have already created and saved a file session, it is not too late. You can still save it as a folder. Simply do save as and select folder under organize my project as and save to a desired location on your computer. This will create a session file that you can now share. So one last time, step 1, save your session as folder. And step 2, always select the session folder and not the session file when sending over a session. So as always, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like and subscribe button and click the bell icon to receive more notifications. Bye.